Welcome to Z Pro Studio.
Snapchat is a popular app used by millions. Did you know you can easily use it on your laptop? With about 9.9k monthly searches for laptop Snap, many want to know how to do it effectively. This guide gives you all the steps to set up Snapchat on your laptop without wasting time. Laptop Snap means accessing Snapchat through a laptop either via a web browser or an Android emulator. In 2026, Snapchat's web version supports full messaging, stories viewing, and camera snaps on most modern Windows and Mac OS laptops. Why does this matter? Snapchat hit over 400 million daily active users in February 2026. Many of these users are accessing the app on laptops, not just phones. Students and remote workers find laptop Snap useful. They need a bigger screen and keyboard, making tasks quicker and easier. To get started, follow these steps. First, check your browser version. It needs to be Chrome 108, Edge 108, or Firefox 110 for Snapchat Web to function correctly. If it's outdated, update it right away. This is the most common error users make. Next, you must set camera permissions in your operating system. On Windows 11, go to Settings, then Privacy. On Mac OS, check under System Settings to confirm browser access. Then, visit web.snapchat.com in your updated browser. Log in with your username and password. If two-factor authentication is active, approve it from your phone. This will bring you to your chat interface. Now, select the camera icon to enable your webcam. Allow the browser to access the camera. Your feed will appear, and you're set to take snaps. Most users should prefer Snapchat Web as it offers ease of access without downloads. However, if you need additional features like lens effects, consider using an emulator. Many users encounter common issues such as blocked camera access or using unsupported browser, which can be easily fixed. Always check camera permissions and ensure you are using a compatible browser. In conclusion, setting up Snapchat on your laptop is simpler than it seems. In just 10 minutes, you can be chatting and snapping away. Start by opening Chrome, going to web.snapchat.com, and following the steps outlined. Ready to get started? Open your browser now and let the fun begin.
Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Z Pro Studio for more tech tutorials, AI tips, and digital marketing insights. See you in the next video.